How's it going, guys? Today is going to be a fun one. It is the first day of our first event of the year, Spring Blossoms Mayberry Market in Wapakoneta, Ohio, at the Auglaize County Fairgrounds. It's going to be awesome. It's this evening and all day tomorrow, so Friday and Saturday. It's going to be fun, but we're getting everything ready here, wrapped up, getting it ready to be packed up so that we can get out of here. I'll show you what we got. Check that out. Oh yeah. Also, I think a package just got delivered. And it's gonna be cool. Gotta show you that. Oh, this is the cat. Kidding. Alright, let's see what we got here. Well, I already know what it is. It's you guys stuff. I actually wasn't expecting this to be here in time for today. Expecting it to be here in time for tomorrow, but not today. All right, big reveal here. Oh yeah, check that out. Check that out. Woo. That's awesome. Let's get it on here. All right, check it out. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. That's sick. Awesome. These are actually available in our online store. But yeah. Super cool. Glad this came in today so we can wear it at our booth at the event today. Tom got one too, same design. His is black though. He hasn't tried it on yet, but he needs to. Hopefully he wears it. I'll make sure he does. On that note, the U-Haul is here. Gotta get it loaded up now. One box ready, all packed up. Good to go. And that's box number 2. All right, we are on our way here. We're making a stop at our booth at Niv Rocks though. Show you guys the back of the truck here though. Got it all loaded up. Taking bar tools, right? Yes. Okay. All right, guys, we just rolled up here. Running a little bit late, but we're here, and we'll get set up, and should be a fun day. Got to get all that in there. Check out the new shirt. Awesome. Yeah. Should be okay.
They'll be opening the buildings at 9, so 9:30 when 9.
Okay.
Get up here.
Sounds good.
Bet again.
Is it?
Felt like it.
Just the bird taking a crap on you.
Probably so.